untadawan une, makayadana, ayan kabahay. To put these in the same sentence, attach na to the first important word in the next clause. So, how do you say and in Somali? How many ways are there to say and? I count 4 different ways. Today, we will focus on the differences between 2 of them, iyo and the suffix na. First, iyo is used to connect nouns. Sambusa, laha, iyo, sha. If you want to connect 2 actions, however, you must use na. It is a suffix. Wahetagte guriga, lelige danan, wekashakaise. You must pay attention because these 2 words are used for different things. First, we have the word iyo. When you want to join nouns, you must use iyo. This is the standard way to say and for objects, people, or places. For example, Ali iyo Ahmed wait unen. Ali and Ahmed ate. Hoyadisa iyo Abahisa wahe jogan borao. His mother and father are in borao. Shuro iyo ano buraba. He wants ugali and milk. So, if you have a list of 3 or more things, only put iyo between the last 2, just like in English. Next, to list actions, you must use the conjunction na, which is a suffix. We already know that iyo means and, but it is only for counting nouns. You cannot use iyo between actions. To connect 2 actions, you must use na. It's actually a suffix, and it attaches to the first important word in the second clause. Here is where learners often get stuck. So, as a general rule, do not use iyo to connect 2 actions. If you say untada wan une iyo makayada wan ka bahay, when you actually want to say I ate the food and I left the restaurant, it sounds unnatural to a native speaker. Instead, we use the suffix na, which is attached to the first important word in the next clause. To put these in the same sentence, attach na to the first important word in the next clause. Untadawan une, makayadana, ayan kabahay. Notice how the word na attaches to makayada. This suffix acts as the word and, telling the listener, I did this and I did that. These are only 2 of the 4 ways to say and in Somali. Can you guess the other 2?